So I picked up a little Payne's Gray into the mixture. I'm just adding it into the shadows there. Like so. I watched a few episodes of the brand new Lost in Space, and it's super cool. I don't like it at all. And the reason I don't like it at all is because the robot, they changed the whole story on the robot, and the robot's, he's not cool. I suppose he's a cool robot if you just wanted a story with a cool robot, but he's not the Lost in Space robot. You can't do that. You can't do that to me. It's not like some whole new generation wants to watch Lost in Space. My generation wants to watch Lost in Space, and they want it to be cool. So, I think they missed on that one. I think they screwed up. I'm going to use a more pointed liner brush and find my maul stick. This is a maul stick. And try to do those bendy arm things. Look at your model, Gil. It's what you paid the model for. Anytime I buy myself toys, I rationalize it that it's art supplies somehow. Sometimes it really is. Dropping the brush is a very ancient technique that you shouldn't do. Got a little paint thinner on my brush. I'm going to pull out some of the reflections of this stuff. Make that a little nicer. This is cadmium red light. Much brighter color than what we had. There, I think that's working. Cadmium red light with a little bit of cadmium orange. Just for some bright spots. much cleaner white for the highlights here. And I like that a lot better already. Much, much better. I think it looks more like a toy. I think it looks more functional. This area is in shadow, but I want these highlights a little bit better. So yeah. Alrighty. I like that better, do you? The only part of this is still truly a problem is the yellow right here. I need to come in and kind of carve that in. And that may not work right at the moment because this paint is all very wet and it may mix. It will mix. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that dry. And then, so it'll be a day or two and I'll come in and put that yellow in. And then it'll look nice.